Hi, it's Keith Peterson again from the Erdley T. Peterson Company in Westfield, New Jersey. Our prior video, we illustrated what constitutes vacuum design, one better than another. We'd like to give you a little quick demonstration of some of the preferred product lines here. Our largest selling floor care equipment, vacuum cleaners for residential use, are made by Miele. Miele is a 100-plus-year-old German appliance outfit. They make high-end appliances with their stoves, dishwashers, washing machines, and so forth. They've been making vacuums over 80 of those years. When it comes to quality and products, Miele sets the benchmark. There are probably 25 or 30 Miele vacuum models in their line. We carry a full range of their products. We're what Miele calls a diamond dealer, which in their hierarchy of dealers is the highest level available. I'd like to show you two types of machines here which are very popular with us. One is a straight suction machine, meaning that when the rug is cleaned, this nozzle, a traditionally styled rug nozzle, is used. The other is a power team combination, meaning that when the rug is cleaned, a motorized brush head is used. In both these vacuums, the motors are the same. The essential raw cleaning power, therefore, is the same. The construction of the machines is identical. They use the same type of construction material. It's what is used in football helmets, very lightweight, structurally very strong. These vacuums come in as very lightweight machines. We're talking products here that are weighing roughly 11 pounds. The mobility factor is terrific. They've got full swivel casters with rubber tires, and a Miele vacuum cleaner will obediently follow the user as needed. On this model, because the intent was to reduce the size of the vacuum, the tools are moved out of a compartment to the outside of the machine, and the bagging compartment is reduced. Now, in both instances, the airflow and the suction being supplied by the same motor ensure the carpet is cleaned thoroughly, deep cleaned. In the use of this nozzle, the nozzle is moved back and forth over the rug. There's a certain manual scrubbing effort that takes place. When the bare floors are done, the bristles that come out the bottom when this flap is depressed enable proper cleaning of bare floors. It's very fast and easy with this type of machine to go back and forth from rugs to floors. If you have very little carpet in the house, this can be a very good choice. The carpet that you have can easily be cleaned with this nozzle. Again, there's more scrubbing effort involved, but because of the minimal carpet level, our customers find that that's acceptable. When you get into the full-size product, the tools are back inside of the tool compartment. They're concealed out of the way, and you've got an electrified brush. It's important that the electrical connections to pick up electricity from the vacuum to the power brush are substantial. With a Miele, this is accomplished by rigid plug and socket design. So when we attach this hose, there is a rigid plug on this hose that fits into a rigid socket. The same type of design is where the hose attaches into the wand. It's a rigid plug fitting into a solid socket. There are flanges and a big button with a notch, and this locks very securely. So in the vacuuming process and pushing and pulling and moving the machine, the electrical integrity is maintained. We don't have problems with these parts burning out. The identical design that's up here is also seen down here at the bottom. Now, when this equipment is operating, the decibel level is the lowest in the industry. These are vacuums that are running close to silent, but they produce very high airflow, very high suction. And if you look at one of our prior emails, you'll be given the understanding as to suction and airflow and agitation and how it plays an important part. The most vital consideration with a high-quality product like this is you have the assurance you're retaining all particles to bacteria size that are being removed. The average vacuum simply is not engineered with airtight housings. The particles are coming out, the small ones, as fast as they're going in. On a machine of this caliber, You have absolute 100% airtight fit on the component parts. The only place the air can leave the vacuum is through an exhaust compartment directly after the motor. There is a certified S-class HEPA filter in that compartment. It fits directly after the motor. It has a gasket. It's a sealed system. The filter, by definition, will arrest all residual particles down to bacteria size. And as mentioned in our prior videos, we don't sell bagless vacuums because they're really prehistorically filthy. The first mechanism to capture particles is the bag. It's vitally important to maintaining the airflow and keeping the particle level inside the machine. This is a Miele bag. It's engineered with 9 layers of filtration. There's a second filter here. Everything down to these tiny critical sizes are retained inside this vacuum. These are light enough to pick up and carry upstairs with no problem. They'll sit on their hindquarters so that you can clean stairs properly or for storage. And again, the full swivel rubber casters throughout the product line. This is an S8 Miele series. This is an S6. Any of Miele's premium machines will give you this airtight design, extra life expectancy. Miele thinks probably close to 20 years, and a totally satisfied consumer. If you have further questions, please contact us at 908-232-5723. Thank you.